This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Hillside, Victoria 3153. We got an upstairs unit on the first floor, and this is the loading bay here. Drive your car in here, and the cargo lift is just here. And you can park almost in front of the cargo lift, which is just here. Okay, I'm going to show you where's the unit. About 40 steps away from the cargo lift. It's on the right side. Here. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 2.5 meter deep, and 3 meter high. The unit is pretty messy. A lot of stuff looks damaged. Most of the stuff are damaged, and we're going to just show you what are some of the goods here. Very, very messy. The box is sealed. Nope, it's something else, something wooden. Looks like a wooden boat. Probably there is a car there. Not sure. Okay, there's a Tonka truck here. Here's the brand. There's one golf bag with, not sure is this complete set or not. Looks like this is a scooter. Probably is a motorized one. Now, all this iPad box, iPhone, iPad is all empty. There's nothing inside there, just the box only. Probably part of a vacuum cleaner. This must be a vacuum cleaner. Yep. Must be could be a Dyson, although I cannot find the brand. There's a signature there. Not sure whose signature is that. All these computer parts. Look like they just fit for parts. There's a Panasonic typewriter here. It's an electronic. Okay. Says here first draft Looney Tune. Okay. There's a helmet here. There's a H cutter. It's damaged in the corner. Nothing is tested. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Again, you can see it's very, very messy. It's on the first floor. Nothing is tested. There's no warranty or guarantee. These are all clothes hanger. A reminder again, there's nothing inside all these Apple, iPhone, iPad boxes at all. Nothing at all. It's just empty boxes. Thank you for watching.